12-year-old and 16-year-old named as the victim of fatal crash in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The names of the two students killed in the motor vehicle collision in Clarendon on Monday have been released by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Dead is 12-year-old Richard Tulloch, a student of Turner's District, Shopperton, Clarendon, and 16-year-old Jodian Lodge of New Bowens District, Clarendon, both attending the Lionel Town High School. Detectives assigned to the Mapping Traffic Division in Clarendon are investigating the fatal collision, which reportedly occurred around 8:30 a.m. The police said that a Subaru Impreza was traveling westward towards Fort Parts. It is alleged that the driver lost control of the vehicle and collided with a Isuzu motor truck, which caused it to overturn and crash into a Toyota Probox motor car. The police were summoned and a total of 5 passengers were taken to the Mapping Hospital, where Tulloch and Lodge succumbed to their injuries. The driver of the Subaru Impreza motor car, who fled the scene of the accident, was later arrested at the Norman Manley International Airport as he was about to board the flight. The JCF says the investigation is ongoing and further updates will be provided as more information becomes available. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.